Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get everything for free in the Hunting Sniper, guys, using working promo codes. So as you can see, I have tons of resources, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So go to zestcoupons.com, promo code website, and type in Hunting Sniper, and sure enough, it says Hunting Sniper promo codes. So press on this, and then press, oh my gosh, why does it not show? Press where it says show coupon code, and it's going to start generating your promo code. So as you can see, it says coupons valid, so just press get full code, and now we just need to wait for it to load, and it is going to ask you for your email address, but I already put this in. So it says reward activated. All right, and now you got to register, which I already did. You just got to fill out your name and stuff. So let me just fill this last bit in. So anyway, guys, then just go ahead and press continue, and then you have to usually do a survey, but I already did the survey, so I don't have to do that. And then the final part, you might have to do a deal. So the deals are pretty easy. They're just like downloading a game or something, but you can see it says you must complete one deal to continue. So if you have to do the deal, guys, it's fine. Just go ahead and do it. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe. It's super cool. Fully works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super awesome. Fully works on all devices. So hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, Hunting Sniper is pretty awesome. I really like having unlimited stuff. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.